So friend, our today's topic is Quiver triplets. So we are going to cover Quiver triplets in the today's topic. So let's start. You will see what are the Quiver triplet. Actually, you divide the 2 beats into 3 beats. That is in a simple way I can say. If you see in this first example here, you can see this is simple time signature, right? So what happened when you write a simple time signature, you divide the beat into 2 quavers. So one crotchet beat into 2 quavers. That means this is, you start with 1 and 2 like that, right? And then you bring, but where if we make a triplet into it, we divide it into 3 beats. So we make it 1 and a 2 like that. So you just, in a simpler way, you just divide 2 beats into 3 beats. That you mean by triplet. Okay. But make sure when we the difference when you go, and at the bottom you can see the two different example. They're the same beat you play in a similar way, but the only thing is this is a simple time signature and this is a compound time signature. That is the only difference. That's why it's given triplet here, because it's a simple time signature, and this is no 3 written here because this is a compound time signature. This is the difference between these two. Okay, I will not explain this too much to this because this is very simple. It's just that just convert 2 beat into 3 beat. So we put triplet, we write triplet to that. Same way, if you have to convert 3 into 2, then you just remove the triplet from here and just make it like that. But that depends on the time signature. Remember, always remember that. Okay, so let's move on to the exercise straight away, so it'll be easier for you to understand as we move further. So we're gonna start with the first exercise that says write some quiver triplet to agree with each time signature. So we have to make the quiver triplets here. So let's quickly make it. It's very simple. You just divide a crotchet beat into 3 quiver beats and just put a 3 on top of them. So you can see it's written 3 by 4. That means in one bar we should have 3 crotchet beats. So we divide 3 crotchet beats into 3 equal quiver beats. So just make it quickly. Here we make it like that, and just we're gonna put 3 in the center. So this becomes triplet, because in actual this is a value of only 2. When you count it, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and so this is only 3 crotchet beat, only divided into 3 quiver beats equally. Okay, now next same thing you're gonna follow. You make 3 quiver beats and then you just put, I'm just making it just like that, so make sure you do it nicely. In the exams, if this sometime this thing comes, just make it in a better way. Okay, so this is, we have divided. Now next time which is 4 by 4. So in 4 by 4, what we're going to do, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to divide now into 4. Just put 3 on top, all of them. Okay, let's just carry on with that. Just make into 3, 2, 3, then 1, 2 and 3. 1 triplet, second triplet, third triplet, and the 4th triplet. Okay, now next is common time signature. The common time signature means the same, 4 by 4. So same thing again. We're gonna, let's just make it. Okay, it's just simple. There is nothing much in this one. It will be helpful when you just have to transform them into a simple time signature, or sorry. Okay, the last one is 2 by 4. That means 2 crochet bead in one. So we divide only 2 crochet bead. We need 3. And the last one. And we finish our beads here. So just remember that we have to check the time signature. There are 4 crochet beads, so that means this is 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, which is that one bead divided into 3 crochet beads. So you can see we are covering 4 crochet bead in one bar. Okay, so now let's move on to the next page for our next exercise. So here we have our next page. So in the next page, the next question is write the correct time signature. So we have to check the beads and then write the right time signature. For example, you can see they have given common time signature here because there are, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 triplet in one bar. That means there are 4 crochet beads in one bar. So now let's check the next one. Next one, you can see this is 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet. That means this is, if we go, let's explain it. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and so that means these are 3 crochet bead. You can see again 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 by 4. That's the time signature. Okay, next one, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 triplet in one bar. That means this is 4 by 4 time signature or a common time signature, same thing. Okay, now let's move on to the next exercise of this unit, of this topic. So that is using Quiver triplets, write a broken chord using the tonic triad to the following keys. Use patterns of 3 notes each time. Finish no more than 2 leisure lines above or below the stave. So let's start. You can see the first example. You're given the E minor grouping up, going up. So in that one, this was the E minor and E minor. They were supposed to be E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. So the broken chord would be first, third, and the fifth one. And we use the last one as well when we go upward. So you can see there they have done the breakup and written there. So let's move on to the first one, that is given F major going down. So we have to take care of the key signature, that is F major. So now the notes would be F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. So the notes we have to use is F, A, and C. This is first, third, and fifth. And as we're going down, so we're gonna use this one as a tonic. Again, same thing is the one note. So let's start with the F major going down. So this is the F one. So now we're going down. We need to find this one. This is our, so F, A, C. So when we're coming down, this is our F. This is our C because it's a treble clef. So you can make one note here. Let's make one note here, C note, and then the first space is A note. Okay. Now let's make the next one. Next would we make C note, A note, and F note again. Okay. Now we're coming here. Now we start with A. We're gonna start with A, F, and the middle C. This is middle C. This is now. Then we gonna start with F because we have reached the first leisure. We have to use still second leisure line up or down. So let's start with F now. This is F. Then we go with middle C, and then one second leisure line. This is A note. Okay. So we have used this. Now let's make the lines. This is F. So we go, because this is okay. Now this one we have to go up because this is the first one from here. This one we go up. Okay, this one as well. Go, just make, and we make them triplets. Okay. So we have used, you can see, till the second ledger line down at the bottom we have done it. Okay, now next one is A minor going up. So A minor going up means we need A, B, C, D, E, F, G and A. So the notes you have to cover is first, third and fifth, and again the eighth one you can say as the first one. So we start with the bottom one. You can see over here the bottom one. Now let's start with this one. So we go A, and after that we're gonna go A, B, C. So we need C note here. So we make a ledger line, we make C, then D and E. So we cover E over here. Okay, then we're going to start with one more C, D, and this is our A treble clef. So A is the first, second space. Okay, then we go to, wait, yes, E. So then we have to start with E. You're gonna go E, A and C and C, right? Then we are going to go with, here we started here, then we started at this, now it's going to start over here, A, C and E, that is E here. Okay, then next we're going to start with A, this is C, E and F, G, A, the first ledger line we have reached now. And the last we going to start with here, this is E, here we go, we have less space now, A and the second ledger line is C. Okay, so here we finish like that. So let's make the, now it's going up, triplet, this is again going up, this is again going up, this is going down now, down, this is down as well. Okay, so we finish like this. So you can see we have started with a lower second ledger line from the bottom, and we finish second ledger line on the top. Okay, let's move on to the next one, next exercise, that is our G major going down. Okay, so G major, the note we're supposed to cover in this one is G, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So it's first degree, third degree and fifth degree, and the last 8th degree. So let's do it. We're gonna go G, we start from G of the top. So I think we need more space in this one. We're starting from the top, so we're gonna go, let's make ledger lines to next, and then make a ledger line. So here after G, if we're coming downwards, we need D first. So this would be our D note over here. Yes, and then we need our, after D we need B. So B will be here. This will be our B note. So I think we don't need this ledger line because this is G, F, E, and D. So we don't need this, we just need only this one ledger line and this one. Then this is B, then we have to start over here again, and we're gonna go with D, B and G. Then we are going to start with B, G and D. Then again we are going to start with here G, D and B. Then we start with B, G, and we're gonna start with D. I think this is G, F, E. Sorry, this is B, G, F, E would be the first leisure line in the bottom, and then D. Then we again start over here with this one, the first leisure line. This is our B. Sorry, this is we are doing here. We doing this. We reach here before this over here. I think this is our D, B, and G. This is the one, not that one. Sorry. So this is what we make mistakes sometimes. Even I make these mistakes. So let's rub this one. Okay, and then we'll start with the B, the G, and now the D over here. D. Now you can see this is the first leisure line. We have to go till second leisure line. So if we go till second leisure line, this will become more. Then we come G, the first leisure line here, and the second leisure line when we make, it will be on the top of it. So we can go here or we can finish here. That's up to you where you want to finish. I'm just giving an example. So let's make the line first. So just let's do this first. Sorry. So this will come down as well. Now we go up. Let's do this one first. Now in this one, if you see, this is second leisure line. So you could have finished here, here as well, or you can finish here. Okay, because one leisure line is coming here. Okay, so make sure you finish here. So we go up with this. Yeah, so this is how we finish our G major, going down till the second leisure line. Now let's do the last one. So the last one we have is D minor. So D minor, we need D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. So we need first, third, fifth degree, and the eighth one. So let's do it. In this one, we'll start from the bottom. So we're gonna go with D. Start with the D here, D, E, F. We make F here, G and A. The first, because it's treble clef. Sorry, this is the bass clef. The first space is A here. Okay. Then we're going to start with F, A, and D. That is the third line. Then we're gonna go here, A, sorry, D and F. Then we're gonna go with D, F, A. Okay, then we're gonna go F, A and D. So that means B, C. We need one leisure line, and on top of it is the D note. So then we have to go till second leisure line on the top. So we're gonna again one more time. This will be A, and we go C, and then we go next leisure line D. Okay, so we got till there. So let's make the stems now. We still go up. We still go up. Now we go down. So here we finish over this topic. I hope you understood it, the triplets and how we make the triplets and how we do it in a broken chords. So this is all I have from this topic. I hope this will help you out. If you have any question in regards to this, please let me know. Then I'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you guys.